Have you ever wondered if the nickname Windy City truly lives up to its reputation, especially when you are just trying to enjoy a pleasant stroll? It is a question many visitors ask, and the answer might surprise you with its nuances. Yes, Chicago's windy conditions can definitely affect walking, making it feel more challenging or brisk than in other cities. While the city's famous nickname actually refers to its politicians, the strong winds here are a real and noticeable environmental factor that impacts daily life and outdoor activities, including your walks. The primary reason for Chicago's significant winds is its unique geographical location and topography. Situated directly on the southwestern shore of vast Lake Michigan, the city experiences what is known as a lake effect, where cold air blowing across the warmer lake water creates strong, consistent air currents. Additionally, Chicago's grid-like street layout and numerous tall buildings create urban canyons. These canyons act like wind tunnels, channeling and intensifying the winds at street level, leading to sudden gusts and unpredictable drafts that can make walking feel like an unexpected workout. To better manage your walking experience in Chicago, consider planning your routes thoughtfully. Utilizing streets with more tree cover or walking closer to buildings can offer some respite from direct wind exposure. During colder months, layering your clothing is essential. Think about a windproof outer shell, a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf to protect exposed skin from wind chill. Checking the local weather forecast specifically for wind speeds will also help you prepare for a comfortable stroll. An interesting tip for navigating the city's breezes is to use the underground pedway system. This network of pedestrian tunnels connects many downtown buildings, train stations, and attractions, offering a warm and wind-free alternative for traversing several blocks, especially during colder or gustier days. It is a true local secret that can make your journey much more pleasant. Ultimately, understanding how Chicago's lakefront location and urban design contribute to its breezy nature empowers you to plan smarter, dress appropriately, and even discover clever ways to navigate its streets. Embracing these conditions by preparing well ensures that your walks through this beautiful city remain as enjoyable and memorable.